Ndewonu Igbo ndị ọma ndị nke m, kedu ka unu mere? Hello my amazing Igbo language learners, how are you all doing? Our Igbo word for today is the word Egwu. Egwu. Egwu n'asụsụ Bekee pụtara song. Ngwa ka anyị jiri egwu wee mee ahịrịokwu. Egwu ahụ atọka, which means that song is so sweet. Yes, a song can be sweet. Egwu ahụ atọka. Another example, egwu ahụ mara mma, which means that song is beautiful. Now it's your turn to make example with the word egwu in the comments section. I know you've learned something new today. Please don't forget to practice because that's the only way you will sustain the knowledge and become better Igbo speaker. Ensure to also like, share and subscribe to our channel. Kemesia.